Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Rideshare Pickup is a game in which a rider marks their spot on the board where they are waiting for the ride to pick them up. So let's say their spot's right here. Now they hide this from the other players so they can't see it. The other players working on this other board start making guesses on where they think the rider is located. So let's say they just pick a random spot. They write that, and then they write down that location on their board. So this one is a +3, +2. So 3, 2. And they write that down on the board. Then the rider will say how many blocks away that car is, the driver is. So they can count it up and they can mark that spot on their board as well, so they can kind of keep track of it on their own. But the other players do not get to see this second board, or the rider's board. So the car is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks away, and we write that down. Now the next player can go and they can draw their mark anywhere on the grid. They know this person's 8 blocks away. So let's say they choose to go down and they make their mark right here. The rider, once again, can mark that spot on their board so they can keep track of it, and then counts how many blocks away that dot is. So this was 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks away. So the rider on this one had to mark their spot, which I forgot to do. It is 3, -2. And we counted up 12 blocks away. All right, next player goes. They realize that the previous person was too far away, so maybe they decide to come over here and make a dot. And they write that down as their location on the grid in the second quadrant is -2. +2. Mark that. The person waiting for the car ride can put their mark here and count up how many blocks away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are 5 blocks. So you just go back and forth like that, taking guesses on where they think the rider is and place their marks as the driver. So the driver is trying to find where that rider is located on the board. And they use that by writing down the correct coordinate that their car is in. And then the rider will say how many blocks away you are. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.